Imagine stepping into a future where your move to the US is not just a dream, but a seamlessly executed plan. It's not just about packing bags, it's about smartly transferring your life, especially your assets. You see, the US tax system is like a giant maze, complex and tricky. Without a map, you might find yourself facing unexpected tax liabilities. That's where asset inventory comes in, your map to navigate this maze. Think of your assets as pieces of a puzzle. Each piece, whether it's real estate, investments, or family businesses, plays a critical role in the big picture of your financial health as you move. Now let's dive into a tale of two families. One, from Europe, had their financial transition disrupted due to the US taxation of worldwide income. The other, from Latin America, faced the risk of excessive US taxes on their global wealth. The European family's strategy: restructuring their offshore trusts into US-compliant structures, making strategic check-the-box elections to simplify tax reporting and minimize taxation levels. A masterstroke. The Latin American family chose a different path. They established US trusts for efficient wealth transfer and ensured their global assets complied with US tax laws, leveraging tax treaties to minimize double taxation. These stories underline a crucial lesson. The right pre-immigration planning, including an asset inventory, can turn potential financial pitfalls into a smooth transition to US residency, preserving your wealth and peace of mind. So, as you embark on this exciting journey to the US, remember, thorough tax and financial planning is your key to unlocking a prosperous future. Let's start with an asset inventory. Your future self will thank you.